Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ada api magahasben ta Sinhala ugawana ume.
So, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, we're going to focus numbers, days of the week, months, and seasons. And if you are going to Sri Lanka soon and want to learn the basics in Sinhala, so here we are. First, we'll start with numbers.
Of course. So we have the first one is a Eka, means eins. Then Deka, zwei. Tuna, Hatara, Paha, Haya, Hatta, Atta, Namaya, Dahaya.
And about the 11 is Ekolaha. This one thing.
Ekolaha.
And 12.
Doloha.
Dolaha.
12.
Yeah. And right side, what is right side?
Dahatuna.
Yeah. You see here, like from the Dahaya is the 10, and we take Daha part from the Dahaya, and then we add Tuna, like the 3. So right side is Dahatuna. And like that, we do the 14 also. Guess what?
Dahatara.
Perfect. And but it's only the exception part. But when we go to 15, it is Paha Lava.
Paha lava.
But can you remember what is Paha? Is 5.
Yeah.
So they get from that. Okay. And 16 is Daha Saya. So Daha is again. Yes. The Pahala is the only different part. But again, we go back to the same mode, like Daha from 10, and at the end the 6, 7, 8, like that. Got it? So Daha Saya, Daha Hatha is 7.
Yeah.
Daha Atta means
Daha Navaya.
Perfect.
And 20 is Visa.
Perfect. So, so and then we go like that. And 30 Jaisish is Tiha. And 40 is Hataliha. Hataliha. And 50 is Panaha. From the 5 is Paha. So you can remember with that also. And 60 is Hatta. And 70 is.
This one is hard.
Hattava.
Hattava? Okay.
Yes, complicated word of 7 is Hattava. And Atta is 8. And 80 is Asua. So Asua, yes. But 9 is not comes from Namaya. It is Anuva. Asua, Anuva, and then 100 is Sia. Grandfather is Sia. So it's just little tone difference. So you can remember from both. 100 is Sia. And grandfather is Sia. Okay, just what is 21? Like in German, we do it other way, but in Sinhala we do it Visi Eka.
Okay.
So we take small part from the Visa and Visi Eka, and then Visi Deka, Visi Tuna, Visi Hatara, Visi Paha.
Okay.
All we get Visi part, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Like 30 also. We take TH part, Tis Eka, Tis Deka, Tis Tuna, Tis Hatara, Tis Paha. To 101 is Sia is 100.
Yeah.
Eka Sia Eka. Like Eka is 1. Sia Eka. Eka Sia Eka. 200 is Deka from De Sia.
De Sia.
Yes. And Tun Sia is Tun Sia. Hara Sia. Always we get from the first part. Okay. So for the 1000 is Daha. Okay. So I think for now we will not go that deep. So that's for now about numbers. And then now we go to days of the week. So So first we'll start with Monday. It is Sanduda.
Sanduda?
And then the next one is hard. Dienstag.
Oh my gosh. Anga Haruvala.
Perfect. And then Mittwoch.
Barada.
Oh, next one is a little bit long also.
Wait. Brahas Pathinda.
Perfect. Yes. Perfect. And what is
Freitag is Sikurada.
Sikurada.
Samstag, Saturday is Senasurada.
Perfect.
Und Sonntag
is
Irida.
Lovely. Okay.
Nice.
It's Sonntag is easy,
Yeah.
Irida. And Sanduda, Ankaharwada, Badada, Brahaspanda, Sikurada, Senasurada, Irida. Done. Okay. And the months. First we'll, I think it is also easy because it's more going with German letters. So, January, like we will take, January.
Yeah.
February.
Okay.
Martu.
Okay. Marutu.
April.
April.
April. It's
April.
like April.
Okay.
And then May. No, sorry. May is May. We say
May.
Like your May, we say May.
Like it's a epsilon in the end.
Yes,
May,
May. And then your uni, we say Juni. Yes. Okay. It's just the same.
July.
We say like your Julie, we say Julie. Yes. And then August. Agosto. Yes. So we'll start from August.
September.
Okay. No, wait. So Agosto is August. Yes.
Agosto. Yeah.
Yes. And next one, September. Yeah, like your one, but also we little bit change it. September. Okay. And then
October.
We always pronounce at the end like this bar part, like September, October, November. We pronounce really the R at the end. October, like a bar, October,
November,
December. Okay. December. Okay. And yeah, we're gonna go through again, all right?
No, we're gonna do the seasons.
Okay. Okay. First, I would say we don't have many seasons in Sri Lanka. So, but I'm teaching you. And we are not that using these words.
Yeah. Vasanta Kalia.
Kale is time. Like
Kalia.
Yes, Kale is time.
Kalia.
Yeah. So the Fruling is Vasanta. Is the word for that.
Okay.
And summer is like summer is Grishma. Yeah, Grishma. Yeah. And
Grishma.
Yeah. And Herbst is Sarat. Yes. Okay.
Sarat
Kalia. And winter is
Shisha. No. Wait.
I also don't know. Wait.
Shira.
We have never used that word. Wait. What's the word for winter? It is Shita Kalia. Okay. So now you got all the knowledge for today, and I will give a little bit exercises. So what is 21?
Vise Eka.
There we are a little bit conjugating. Vise Eka. And what is 87?
Oh God. 87. Asu. Hata.
Perfect. What is Namya?
9.
Perfect. And what is, okay, I will go for the days of the week. Can you remember a little bit Sonntag?
Nope.
Irida.
Irida. Yeah.
Yes, Irida. And then one month. And what is September in our?
September.
Perfect. You are September. Okay, September. So, and how was the lessons today?
Amazing.
Tell me, how was the lessons?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you learn something?
Yeah, I mean, there's 1,000 things to learn, because the pronunciation is so different than European languages. So it's hard.
Okay. The class is dismissed.
Bye.